I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. Rain days are a time when farmers and ranchers can ease off the throttle and think about the big picture. Mid-July puts us close to the halfway mark for the summer's heat in Oklahoma and our summer growing season. And as years go, this one has been mild so far. A map showing the number of days when the air temperature has hit or gone above 100 degrees has a lot of cream-colored areas. These light areas are those with 2 or fewer 100 degree or higher days. I-35 generally divides the state for peak air temperatures. East of I-35, a lot of Mesonet sites have not hit 100 yet this summer. West of I-35, it really varies, from a few locations with only 1 day so far up to those with 12 days at 100 or higher, Altus and Tipton. Checking in on the number of days that have hit 90 degrees or higher across the state, the top count is again at Altus with 56 days at or above 90 degrees. On the cool side, Jay and Westville Mesonet sites in the northeast have only had 4 days at or above 90 degrees. Another way to look at heat is with the Mesonet Degree Day Heat Unit calculators for agronomic crops. Checking on the degree day heat units for cotton through Wednesday, July 16th, we can get an idea of the differences from north to south. Blackwell was at 978. Minco, 1,004, Altus, 1,232. Depending on the variety, cotton is ready to harvest between 2,200 and 2,600 heat units. So Altus cotton was a little over halfway to harvest. Minco and Blackwell were under the halfway mark. Checking on Oklahoma's rainfall from mid-May through Wednesday, July 16th, the majority of the state has had 8 or more inches of rain. These are the red and dark red areas on the map. The highest amount was 14.5 inches at Porter in eastern Oklahoma. 8 inches or more since mid-May has been enough to meet the water demand of our hay, pasture, and summer crops. And this map does not include the rains since Wednesday. The percent of plant available water from the surface down to 16 inches shows how the soils in areas with higher rainfall, those colored dark green, have close to 80% or more of the total plant available water they can hold. That is great for mid-July and should be enough water to finish out the warm season crops. The areas that have low plant available water from the surface to 16 inches are those soils in the brown colored areas. These soils have only 20% or less. Hopefully our latest rains will replenish these drier soil areas. It will take a couple of days for that water to move into the deeper soil depths. Thanks for joining us for this edition of the Mesonet Weather Report.